After heavy rain yesterday destroyed an Omaha woman's apartment, she reached out to her landlord for help. But she says they haven't shown any interest in helping her put her home back together. 3 News Now's Alex Whitney went today to see the damage.
Sadish Abdullahi was sleeping soundly in her apartment at 3031 Birch Street on Monday morning when she was awoken by a sound that no one wants to hear.
It was Monday morning around like 3 o'clock in the morning, I would say. And it was just a drip, started like just a small drip, and then it became like, like spread it all around the house, building and apartment and my room and everywhere.
Sadish says that she reached out to her landlord to let them know about the issue, but she received no response, and then her problems got worse.
I haven't seen no response for a while, like hours and hours. And then next thing I know, the half of the roof just came. While I was sitting on my living room, it just like came boom.
She continued to wait. Tuesday, she got no response. Wednesday, she tried again as rain was pouring in to no avail. And that's when she reached out to us at KMTV.
They haven't fixed nothing yet. You can take a look later on. Everything is still worse and worse and worse.
When we returned to her apartment on Thursday, the hole in her ceiling was even worse and water was still dripping in. Unfortunately, she is facing a situation that many renters face, but thankfully, there are organizations here in Omaha who are willing to lend a helping hand.
It's always best to contact us. We do an intake on every person that contacts us, and then we can guide them accordingly on what their options are.
Garcia says that the first thing you should do when a problem arises is let the landlord know and get plenty of documentation.
First thing, like this woman did, take video. Take video, pictures, evidence of what's going on. That way there's proof, don't take my word for it, it's right here.
Sadish says that her landlord has promised to fix her destroyed living room, but she doesn't have faith that they will follow through. But she does hope that her story can inspire others to take actions to hold absent landlords accountable.
My story, I really want to share with you my story, and my story is going to be something that will helpful to the whole world.
In Omaha, Alex Whitney, 3 News Now.
We spoke with Sardish's landlord when we stopped by on Wednesday, and we called again today, but the landlord declined to comment on when or if they'd repair the damage in the apartment.